Hey guys, this is Luis with Vidriokar glass replacement. One more day, almost finished my day. So I have a back glass to back on this truck. I'm gonna use a motor hole. This is really easy tool. So first you're gonna do, you get this one tight. Go the bottom first, right here. So when you get the bottom, now you're gonna go tight the knobs right there. This is an option if you don't want to put some tapes and backplate it and have mess with the tape. So after that, we're gonna go at the top, and that's all. Now the next file, we have more thickness, and we have a place to put some suction cups. That way it's not gonna move anymore, because the problem is when you're moving, this guy is moving. Now, right there. Now the motor does is gonna be like this. You twist it. Remember, every time you twist, these guys can be here, or this guy will be here. Okay, you see how short I am, this way or this way. So after that, you got some velcros here. I know it's too much for some people, for me it's fine. You put this guy here, you put your velcros, one more here, and finally you got the place. Now you can leave that one in the shop or whatever. Now we have these guys, because every time you got a clips, you can attach these ones and these ports right here, or just leaving like this. Okay, and that way you have your back glass. Now the next one will be more thick, and we have some suction cups in the back. You can attach this one, and it's not going to move anymore, because when you moving this guy, it's going to move this way, but not too much. You see, it's a little bit play. Okay guys, so next time, now let's go and do a dry test. First, when I do, let me set this guy right here on the place right there. Put this guy here. You got the dry test. Now let's put the glue on, and we're finished. Okay guys, see you in the next shot. Okay guys, so we have the glue on already. We just find the spot. Look at those strips, I don't like it. On one here. Remember, we have these ones already on place, and the only we have to do is push in. Perfect set. No more tapes, or you can put the tapes after this. No problem. No squeeze glue out of there. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave that one for 15-20 minutes and take it off after that. Okay, alright, so these ones are the back holders and the motor holder. Alright guys, so see you in the next time. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's go, and we're gonna use these ones. Remember my motor hold, this one is easy. Now the only we have to do, let me see, this is still on place. You gotta take this one off, clip, and that's it. Lose it, the knobs, and we finished guys. Okay, so that was all. So this is very nice tool for me. Will be available in my website for those STL files. They call this Vidriokar. That's the website.com. So soon it's gonna be available. If you want to download, support me, I appreciate it. I mean, it's gonna be nothing expensive, something you can print. You have a printer, you can do like a 3, 4, 5, 6, depending on how many people you all have, or you. And you sometimes have a 3 or 4 back glasses, and I have 4 or 5 these ones. All my glasses looks pretty nice. No, the motors on the ground, on the floor, no tapes on, because in summer sometimes they leave a lot of shit here and we have to clean up, and I don't like. Okay guys, thank you so much and appreciate it. And I want to say hi to my friend Kevin from Orlando, and got a bit of collision. I know, let's go.